Bang, bang. What up, fam? Source God. Yo, fam, I'm going to give y'all a master key right now. All right? I'm going to give you the key to the gates. Check it out. See this time loop, the reason for it and the way it operates, this is what happened. Okay. The plasma storm, Nibiru, comes, wipes out the wickeds, sorts shit out, resets the matrix to back to where it was supposed to be, its original state. What the Wickeds have been doing is they've been jumping back in time, rewinding time. That's what we're in a time loop. They rewind time, believe it or not. Say whatever you want, it don't matter, because what you think or believe won't change reality. This is what it is. They jump back in time and start the whole shit over, live this whole life over again. Then when it comes back to the plasma storm and the judgment again, Nibiru, Nemesis again, they jump back in time. They had a machine that they created to do that shit with. The Fallen gave them the technology. That machine is broken. They can't jump back no more. So now they have to face the actual judgment. You understand me? Now they're facing the reality, real reality. There's no more jumping back, no more resetting the loop. Here's the science, fam. They have a machine. You guys go research this. Go learn. Build, grow, form some new pathways. They have a machine called CERN, the Large Hadron Collider at CERN, right? The LHC. It's in Switzerland, okay? On the border between Switzerland and France. It's the largest machine ever created in human history. It's like 19 kilometers wide. It's a super collider. It's it's a tube. Big circle that's 19 kilometers wide, plus all the machinery, plus the D-Wave supercomputer, quantum computer that they use to run it. That's why the quantum computers were created, to run these LHCs, these Large Hadron Colliders. So what they do, families, they have this gigantic loop, and they take light particles, protons, electrons, whatever the fuck, dumbasses, and they shoot them through this loop at basically the speed of light, and then collide them together in order to create what they say is to recreate the Big Bang. In reality, what they're doing, family, is they're trying to create a Stargate. It's a portal. That's how Stargates are created. It bends time and space. Now, when they smash those atoms together, what they're actually doing is they're imploding space-time, creating mini black holes. But all at one time, you create one black hole in a controlled environment, the loop, right? And then they have the supercomputer, the D-Wave, right? Quantum computer. I'm sorry, I keep saying super. It's beyond super. It's a quantum computer, right? The D-Wave quantum computer, it works out all the mathematics and the algorithms and whatever. It does everything. Because it's the demon. Okay? Because this Stargate that they created, the CERN machine, it opens up doors. Doors to other realms, to other dimensions. If you don't believe me, just go pull up D-Wave. This guy, Jordy, whatever his name is, the guy who funds the whole thing. He'll tell you all about it. He'll tell you exactly what I'm saying if you don't believe me. This is all in the books, okay? So they can enter different dimensions. The computer, the quantum computers operate multidimensionally. Analog computers are 1 and 0. 1 and 0. It's either 1 or 0. It's either on or off. Quantum computers are like Schrodinger's cat. It's both. It's on and off. It exists in all moments. Deep, for real. But anyway, that's what they have running CERN. That does the logistics of everything to open the gates. But fam, they let in some bad energies, right? But here the thing is, it's the same energies they've always been working with in this loop, right? They let the energies in a long time ago, but still right now. It's really strange. It's a paradox. But the way it worked was they would always use the CERN machine, because this shit's been in our reality. There's nothing new under the sun. The same machine. We're the same people reliving these moments, this deja vu shit. Yes, it's because we keep living this shit over and over and fucking over. They had us trapped in a loop. I know it sounds like some crazy sci-fi off the wall shit, but inside, you know I'm telling the truth. You feel it. We know. All right. So, fam, they would literally turn on the CERN, the LHC, the Large Hadron Collider, and just, fam, open up a gateway that would take all of us, our whole plane, would shift us back. Bang. Take us back in time. And we'd all relive everything throughout history again till we got back to where we're at now. That's what they kept doing. They've been doing this shit for I don't know how long, I can't tell you. But it don't matter. The machine is broken. It don't work. They don't work. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm telling you, we're going into a new frontier now. We're going to where we haven't been before, because all this time is every time the fucking judgment comes, they run from their judgment and reset the whole shit. So we got to do this shit all over again. But now this time their judgment has finally come. There's no resetting it. I promise you, families. No, none of that bullshit. Not that type of reset. No. This reset is the natural reset that was always supposed to take place. But like I would tell you guys, they always copy everything we do. See? And they made their own form of a reset, where they would erase all of our memories, fam. I'm telling you, rewind this whole shit, put us back to like 10,000 BC and start this whole shit over. Yeah, man. But that done no. And that's what we called reincarnation and all that type of fucking shit. It was all part of that, man. It's all part of that. Because remember, in a family, we're light beings, man. This physical shit's bullshit. It's not real. We're light beings. We live eternally. You dig? So for them to do that, all they would have to do is trick us into thinking that we're just these lowly fucking dense fucking whatever beings, humans, whatever the fuck. And then they just program your mind and they have you running the fucking program on yourself. Yeah, because you live forever. You can't die. So they just keep rewinding you and resetting you and erasing you and resetting you. All right? Like I said, believe it or not, it don't matter. Your little weak mind ain't going to change what is. You see what I said? Because this is really what it is. You dig? This is the master fucking key. You see what I said? The machine's broken. The judgment that was set for them is here for them, and it's finally taking place. It's finally taking hold. They're fucked. There's no more resetting. There's no more rewinding. No more erasing shit. The fittest of the fittest shall survive. You dig? And this new race, this new motherfucking crystal race, these Christ beings that we are, yeah, we taking this shit over. Because everything belongs to the Most High. Ain't nothing in the universe that the fucking fall and the devil, whatever the fuck you want to call these anti-life equations, there's nothing they can control. Everything belongs to us. And we're going to show you. Stay up. Source God. Bang, bang. Yeah.